finally tonight, the elephant on the run and the neighborhood waking up to one big surprise.
It's not what these neighbors in Wisconsin expected to see when they looked out into their yard. Yep, that's right, an elephant breaking out of the big top.
Fox Animal Control, contact dispatch. Animal Control, contact dispatch. And we're assuming this is going to be probably from Circus World.
Trainers say the African elephant is pretty smart and pretty slick with her trunk.
Last location was 814 in the backyard.
Eva Pilgrim.
Thanks so much for watching This Week in the Morning, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow night. Have a great evening.